Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle how you can add tasks from your web browser straight to your Todoist app. This is extremely useful to keep all your tasks in one place and stay organized, so let's jump right in. First, you'll need the Todoist extension installed on your web browser. This is crucial because it's the bridge that links your browser to your Todoist account. If you haven't installed it yet, simply head over to your browser's extension store, look up Todoist, and click Add. This will allow you to add tasks directly from your browser to Todoist with just a few clicks. Now that we've done that, let's proceed to the fun part, adding tasks. Navigate to the web page you want to add as a task. It could be a blog post to read, an item to buy, or even a video to watch. Once you're there, click on the Todoist extension icon in your browser's toolbar. A little pop-up will appear with the page title pre-filled as the task. This is a huge time saver because it reduces the need for manual input. Next, you can customize your task. You can assign it to a project, set a due date, or add a priority level. The reason we do this is to give the task context and ensure it fits well within your overall productivity system. You can also add labels or comments if you wish. Finally, hit the Add Task button. This will send the task directly to your Todoist, making it easy for you to remember and act on it later. This helps us because it streamlines your task capturing process, especially when you're browsing the web. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add tasks from any web page to your Todoist. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep everything organized and not miss important tasks. Remember, the key to productivity is not just working hard, but working smart. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this tutorial has made your to-do list management easier and more efficient. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next one.